Hair is our crowning glory. Every one of us will have hair loss at one point in our life. Today I'm going to be sharing regarding Alopecia areata, which is one of the examples of hair loss issues. Alopecia areata is one of the common causes of hair fall. Alopecia areata is when our own body's immune system attacks the hair follicles, causing hair fall. Alopecia areata can occur at any part of the body. However, alopecia areata is commonly found on the head and on the face. How do one identifies alopecia areata? Alopecia areata is when there's a well-circumscribed patchy hair loss area. It would be shiny with no evidence of hair follicles. Those who have alopecia areata are usually healthy with no other symptoms. The common question we always get asked is, what is the cause of alopecia areata? The cause and progression of alopecia areata differs from individual to individual. You may have bouts of alopecia areata attacks throughout your life, or if you're lucky, you'll only have one attack. The treatment of alopecia areata is done after a detailed consultation by a licensed medical practitioner. In the consultation, a detailed history taking is done, assessment and examination is done. Subsequently, a treatment plan is curated for individuals suffering from alopecia areata. Our alopecia areata protocol at GLOJAS includes a combination treatment. It includes intralesional corticosteroid injection, a cream and a spray. Following is a story of a young boy who was brought by his parents completely helpless and distraught. The child had severe alopecia areata. After a careful assessment and history taking, we put the child on our alopecia areata protocol. The results obtained by this patient after being on our alopecia areata protocol was completely mesmerizing. We were able to bring the child's happiness back and achieve hair growth on the areas of alopecia areata. Today, the child is a happy child and the parents are happy with the child's progress. If you have any hair loss issues, do not hesitate to contact us and book in for consultation.